How to cancel GoPro Quik subscription. First of all, open the app on your device. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen to access your account settings. From the menu, select My Account, then tap on Manage Subscription. Here you will see your active subscription details including the plan type and renewal date. Tap on Cancel Subscription and follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the cancellation. Make sure to read any messages regarding remaining subscription time or billing to understand how your access will be affected. After completing the cancellation process, your subscription will remain active until the end of the current billing cycle, after which it will not renew. Now you know how to cancel your GoPro Quik subscription safely and easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.